Yes, sir. We're in the code. It's our Visual Studio. Remember, this is week 4, right? So the code we currently have, it's from 3 weeks ago, and it's week 4.1. So right now we're gonna create a new branch from week 4. This branch name is gonna be week 5, right? So it's for week number 5. So it's just a copy and paste of week 4. You all know what we're on, right? So we haven't really done anything that's serious today. But I have something interesting I'd like to show you all. I have Copilot. So right, so I'm using Copilot. Imagine. So I realized the other day that I wasn't actually using Copilot for quite a while, and I realized that I'm actually gonna start using Copilot a lot more now because of what it can actually give me. Let me just show you what it like kind of gave me. So I first kind of asked it to say, hey, analyze my code base. So this is the response it came up with. It was like, hey, your code base is a modern React plus TypeScript starter template using Vite and Tailwind CSS for styling. The structure is component based with reusable UI components. Key features inside include what? They include a responsive layout. Components like navbar, hero, features, and filter provide a modern mobile-friendly UI. And the dark mode support handled by dark mode tool and Tailwind's dark mode class config. And we have also the custom color palette, which is black, gold, silver, gray, defined in the Tailwind config.ts. Also have our animations, which are custom keyframes and utility classes in index.css and tailwind.config.ts. We also have type safety, which is shared types in our type.ts. And we have pricing and contact, dedicated components for pricing pages and contact forms. So the new ticker for news ticker, yeah, for announcements. So the entry point is main.tx, which renders app. The project is set up for easy deployment or development, npm run dev, linting and production builds. If you want to use a deeper analysis, let me know. So this is like the response kind of gave me. I know that's pretty a long response, and I don't know why I read it all. Either way, I just wanted to show you the type of responses it gives. Then from there, I was like, no, chief, let's start coding. I was like, I have issues in my form, start fixing my form. It fixed my form for me, which was nice. So now I'm like down to 2 errors in my app. Okay, which is good. So now then, I want a contact form to connect to Firebase, send whatever messages, right? So we're about to do week 5, right? So week 5 entails with what? We're about to add advanced portfolio features to our thing. So we must integrate contact form with Firebase, add dark mode toggle. We already did this last week, so we're not gonna do it this week. Boo, 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 boo. All right, then either way, we're gonna work on smooth scrolling and UX enhancements. But I'm first gonna start with this one. You see, this one is gonna be the most complicated part. Okay, and then I go back here. So I'm gonna go to Firebase. Easy peasy. Go to console. No, I don't want a demo projects. So just gonna recharge my thing real quick. Imagine if it was to just collapse while I was still streaming. Some idiot in the back is saying yes. Okay, yeah, we have our battery. So what do we name our thing? We name our thing template homepage. Right, so this is the name of my thing. Just say continue here. Come back here again, say continue. Then from there, you have to pick a project. I don't know if this is the right one, but I think that's the right one. Either way, let's move. Yeah, you see, it usually takes us time to do all this stuff. Let's go check what Copilot has done. So Copilot is like, nah, we gotta do npm, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna make it install it. Enter. So I'm just gonna do this so you can actually see the installation. Okay, this is good. So right now, first step, you do npm install Firebase. I'm not gonna type this thing. We pass the type of time of typing, time. Hey, so yeah. Either way though, yeah, this thing is done, right? So what exactly do we need from this? We don't need much. Before we even get anything, we must first make sure our Firestore database is up and running and we can use it for whatever reads and writes we want to make to the system. All right, then. So I'm not gonna have on for too long. What I'm gonna do, once this thing is done loading up, I'm just gonna create a database. So this is a real-time database with real-time updates, powerful queries, and automatic scaling. This is one of the reasons I like Cloud Firestore, because it offers you a database that's already in the cloud and will scale for you as you build on top of it. So yeah, I really dig Firestore Firebase. Like it's yeah, the best. It's just the best. I won't lie, it's just the best. Especially for my case, as someone who likes deving with React and going a bit to your Android studio making apps. Like so, I find myself most cases using Firebase, because even Android Studio has plugins for Firebase in this type of context as well. You can easily load your Firebase. You can easily load everything you want to use, and it becomes very easy for people to kind of be distracted by the whole Firebase thing. But if you're like actually focused and you wanna do your thing, just follow the instructions here. And if it's hard, take these instructions, put them to ChatGPT. It's gonna tell you how to connect your things. Okay. All right. Then so what you're gonna do? You're gonna come back here to Firebase after creating your Firestore, whatever. You basically type Firestore, whatever. I'll change those roles to true, because if it's false, you're not allowing reads or writes in your database. But if it's true, now we can do reads and writes in our database. All right, and so we're now gonna add this guy here, which is a web. So this is how you kind of add an application. I'm gonna call this one temp home. Excuse me. So yeah, we adding temp home. Yeah, so it's gonna do all this loading stuff here. So here's the npm install, the thing recommended for us. Continue the console. So now it's gonna make us a new file. Just made a new file. We are keeping the new file. Yeah, and I just put my things there, I guess. I don't know. Okay. So now, wow. Contact form. So see here what it did. So it said update your contact form to send messages to Firestore. So I have to import the Firestore function and to send the form data. See here, Firestore here. And this, so these are like the two things it added. And then it went here to your handle submit. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this, but yeah, it went here to handle submit, and what it did basically, let's see what exactly did that. Yeah, edit the collection. See here, before the try, it's like try, await, new promise, whatever, resolve. Now this is whole thing here. This is so basically this is it's communicating with the database. So I'm gonna make active edits to this page. You're gonna see balls in action. This is how it's going. Applying edits. Goes down, it sees, see, this is what I told you. And then you just say keep. So after saying keep, you know that your changes are like the side now. I don't know why this one has issues. Like this thing has been having issues ever since I got back here. Please fix. Here in chat, regenerate. See the rules thing I just explained to you guys. So you see, with Copilot, you don't even need me to explain those things. The only thing you need from me is just for me to tell you to say go cook. That's the only thing you'll need from me. I'm telling you guys, that's the only thing you'll need from me. So again, if you should just say right click, fix with Copilot real quick. So why exactly am I even showing you guys this thing? So this kind of makes life easier for everyone in a sense. So remember how I started you all. I first started you all in Bolt. After Bolt, it was a matter of me teaching you guys how to like do, how can I put it? I first taught you all Bolt, how to use this AI generated whatever shitty things. Then I taught you all how to manually edit these things, how to manually read the code. That was around week 2, week 3, week 4. I know I did. I know I taught you all how to deploy these things using a tool called Vercel, right? So yeah, we've been using the CI/CD for quite a while, and it's been I wouldn't say it's been the worst, but it's been very educational, and it's been a lot more tedious than I thought it would be. Hence now I'm gonna okay, hence now I'm gonna do something that's a bit different. So there's this new thing called defang. So defang is like, I'm just gonna search for you as soon as we have all these errors fixed, yeah, whatever. Hey, me, I put this in the wrong file, chief. Put this in the wrong file. It's supposed to go here. Fix using Copilot. Accept. Alright then, so I think that's about everything. Save on. Then save the down thing, whatever. So we have, I think I have 0 errors at this point. Alright then, let's try running our thing and see what we have. Then I'm gonna go show you this whole MCP thing I was referring to earlier. Look at it loads for incredibly long time. Okay, it's the context form. See, when I even go there, it doesn't navigate. Please. Occasions, it does not allow me to go to the other pages. Yeah, so right now it's gonna fix our navigation. Now we're gonna be able to go to the other pages that we had. I see, I don't like this. Hmm. Hmm. So what am I doing now? Since the thing is done, I'm now giving it the code I wanted to change. So right now I'm just gonna tell it to make sure every page being navigated to by the nav bar is present in my code base. If not, create one. Alright, so just gonna wait for this shitty thing to come back to life, I guess. Hmm. Yeah, I have a new page now. Keeping this guy. We're gonna keep our services page as well. Update this guy. Now he has navigation and everything. See, now it looks cool. Update the nav bar guy as well. Yeah, he's suffering the most upgrades. npm run dev. You run your app again. Let's go check it, how it's looking. So this is you guys using Vit. Vit. I'm just saying it's better. Yeah, it's an error, yeah. Wow, هذا error يسمونه يعني صح error إلا هذه provide down now provide down export tag. Play condition shout chief. Not done if it's like condition shout sir. Hey. Are we not cooking? This is our services. I know it looks so bad. It took guys' homework to make it look nice. This is about us. This is our homepage. So see now how we kind of making everything now with the site. Let's check if this phone thing works. So email. It's into chain at gmail.com. I really love front end coding. Spell front right. But I love back end coding more. Send message. I want to. Okay, let's go check our message. This is our message. All right then. So you see, after doing this, you would have successfully done create on a Firebase database. So yeah, this is the basics. I'm just gonna leave you guys like so for this thing. Send another message if you like. Have it dark mode. You see how nice it is looking, dog. See, it's smooth, right? Smooth Catalia, smooth operator. You know that's me. You know that's your code. So when I come back on week 6, we're gonna make this guy a little bit more bougie. Check. So right now, I'm just gonna add one more thing before I close the thing. This guy. You know what I'm thinking of doing? I'm thinking of doing week 6 as well here. I won't just let it go like this. So right now we're gonna be adding the work on smooth scrolling and UI enhancement thing. So to enable, excuse me, smooth scrolling and enhance UX for navigation, you need to follow the steps in your global wherever scroll behavior to smooth. I don't know where this shit's gonna apply itself. It's just gonna apply it. I don't know. Where did it put it? There, put it here. Okay, easy things. Uh uh So most of our code is doing this thing. One thing I like about me, I'm the code and the count deving this thing. Yeah. So now there's all those scroll top and all these other components. Keep. Okay, I think it edited or something. I'm gonna see what I just added here. Oh, well, the scroll to top feature work. Ah, I see. So this is what it does, right? So the scroll to top feature works by listening for route changes in your React app. Whenever you have a URL path that changes, so basically it automatically scrolls the window to the top of the page because it automatically detects the change in your URL path. So yeah, this kinda is the basic aspects of everything. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you learned something, do leave a comment below, and that's for you, Theodore. Either way, this is basically it. So what are you gonna do now? We're gonna push our changes to GitHub. Week 5 update. Right, so it's gonna say commits. I don't know whether it's gonna deploy my thing, but hey, just gonna publish this branch. After that, I know you guys can get the code from GitHub and do whatever you guys like with the code. But for me, I think that's just about it for today. I have to go back to coding mobile applications. Oh, see, it's just updated. A Barbie preview. So you're gonna be able to go see a preview of like whatever you deployed. Welcome back to the 9th planet. Planets. This is the official closing of week. Enjoy. Isafela masonyo no wadikaka dagmo what's in there. So you can also switch French. I'm just showing you like what it was like on week 4. See on week 4, gee. Even if you were to click for the life of death, you were not going to these pages. But since now we are running on another level, we on a better week, and nangithola mfethu ngiyighost mfethu. Siyakaka mfethu i-Windows 5 futhi yona le preview mfethu esikanjalo. Bafethu ngitanka bafethu, ngibonge support, ngibonge futhi nokuthi ningiqhubeke nibe nami. Then siyaphethe 30 minutes wami. That's the end of my video. Thank you very much. See you in week 6.